Hi, this is Tiff with Babes and Kids Review, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Instagram collage print. First, we're going to go select File, and I'm going to actually process multiple files. So what I did is I made screenshots of all of my Instagram pictures, and then I saved them into a folder onto my desktop. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to find the Instagram Photos file folder. Then I'm going to select Choose. I'm actually going to change my image size to 600 by 600 so I have nice square photos to put into my collage. So once I do that, I'm just going to press OK, and it's going to start processing my photos. I'm going to save them as a copy of my photos. I'll open them when they're done. I've seen these prints on the internet for $25 to $35, and you can actually save a lot of money by doing it yourself in Photoshop or Photoshop Elements. I actually did this in about 20 minutes, and then I printed it up for $6 at Costco. So I got a nice $14 frame, and the whole project cost me 20 bucks. So it was pretty nice. So after you've taken the screenshot and done a mass resize of all of your images, it will save them back into the folder where you had originally had the files. So to do the collage, we're going to go to File, New. We're going to create a blank file, and I'm going to do a 16 by 20 because that's the one that I did. So I'm going to name it Instagram, and then I'm going to change the resolution to 300, or the pixels per inch to 300. That means that my pictures will be about 2 by 2. Another thing that you're going to want to do is press View and create a grid. This ensures that your pictures are side by side and that they have good spacing. So I'm going to open my screenshots. It'll show you that I have two. I have the original, and then I also have a copy here. So I'm just going to go ahead and open all of my screenshots and bring them in. And once they're all imported, then I can start dragging them to make my Instagram print. Now I leave a little bit of leeway on the right and left side of the poster, or a little bit of a border, and then on the top and bottom I bring it right to the top and bottom. This was a little bit of trial and error for me, and it actually ended up working a lot better to do it this way. So you can see that this is one of my original photos there. If I go view this one, the image size on this one, you can see that this is one of my 600 by 600 pictures. So I'm going to click on my canvas, or my 16 by 20 that I have, and then I'm going to start dragging pictures up into it. So it'll just drag them, and then because you have the grid, it's really easy to place them. So I'm actually going to bring the picture up to the very top, like I said, so it's right close to the edge, but I'm also going to leave a little border on the right side just because the spacing ends up working a lot better this way. So I'm going to put a bunch of pictures in the collage. I'm going to do a lot of the same picture because it'll be less time consuming, and then I will show you what it looks like once I've got all of the pictures in and what the collage looks like. So this is what the final collage looks like. Obviously I used a lot of the same pictures because I just wanted to show you how to do it. It's 7 by 9, so this one holds 63 pictures. The one that I had originally done had more padding on the left and right. I was trying to kind of play with the pictures and see what would work best, but I like how this one turned out. If you go hit View and then hit Grid again, it will take the grid off so you can see what your collage will look like without the grid. And as you can see, all the pictures are nice and evenly spaced. All you have to do next is do a file save as, and save it as a JPEG. Upload it to any photo service that you want to. Like I said, I did it at Costco for $6. So this is a great idea to do once a year if you love using Instagram and display it in your home. So yeah, just do a save as, and you're set to go with your print.